Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a Western wanted effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline. Find a good point to make a snapshot. Delete the rest of the clip and drag the snapshot on its place. Above the snapshot, put the wanted footage. Click on the snapshot and adjust its positioning in the poster. Then go to Effects and search for the cartoon effect. Then search for the Vintage X process. Then click on the snapshot and go to Color. Adjust the temperature to around 35 and the tint to around -35. Then in the tune section, adjust the contrast to around 75, the saturation to 100 and the brightness around 10. In the 3D LUT section, select the Walking Dead effect. After that, move the first clip above and go to Transitions. Add this Cinema Pack Transition 1 between the two footages. And finally, adjust the footages to the audio. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.